Hello everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal advisor at Dial Easy, and today we'll talk about how to register a copyright in India. The Registrar of Copyright maintains a register of copyrights wherein he enters the names or titles of works and the names and address of authors, publishers, and owners of the copyright. This entering or recording of the names and other particulars of the copyright. Other particulars of the copyright owners in the register of copyright is called registration of copyright. तो एक रजिस्ट्रार होता है जो मेंटेन करता है एक रजिस्टर कॉपीराइट्स का, जहाँ पे वो नेम, टाइटल, वर्क का नाम, एड्रेस ऑथर का, पब्लिशर, उसका ऑनर है ना, उसमें लिखता है. फिर दिस एंटरिंग और रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ नेम्स, द अदर पर्टिकुलर entering or recording of names and other particulars of the copyright owners in the register. तो जो ये एंटरिंग, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ नेम्स और बाकी सारे पर्टिकुलर्स जो कर रहा है वो उसको हम कहते हैं रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कॉपीराइट. द प्रोसीजर फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कॉपीराइट इन इंडिया is provided under section 45 of the Copyright Act 1957, read with chapter 13 of the Copyright Rules 2013. Steps to register copyright. पहला है filing of application. The author, publisher, owner or any other person interested in the copyright can make an application form HIV for 14 of Copyright Rules for registration of copyright to the registrar of the copyright. Such application must be accompanied by the prescribed fee for the entering particulars of the work in the register of copyrights. Filing of application हो गया, ठीक है. Application for registration of copyright in an unpublished work. An application for registration of an unpublished work should be accompanied by 2 copies of the work. Third, an application for registration regarding an artistic work that is being used or could be used in connection with any goods or services. In case the application for registration is regarding an artistic work that is or can be used in relation to any goods or services, ठीक है. Application for registration in respect of any artistic work which is capable of being registered as design. In this case, the application must be supported by affidavit declaring that. ठीक है. तो अब जो the design has not been registered under the Design Act 2000 and that it has not been applied to an article through an industrial process and reproduced more than 50 times. Now, the mode of filing the application for registration of copyright can be filed in the following modes: by visiting the copyright office in person, by post, by online facility. ठीक है. Now the other notice of application, the person applying for registration of it has to give the notice to the application to every person who claims to have or has any interest in the subject matter of the copyright who is disputing the rights of the applicant to the copyright. 7. The entering of particulars in registrar copyright. A 30-day period is given for filing of objection, and last is the completion of registration process. The registration process is complete when the copy of the entries made in the register of copyrights is signed and issued by the registrar of copyrights or by the deputy registrar of copyrights. Also, every entry made by the registrar of copyright has to be published by him in the prescribed manner. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.